is this idea of, one, the kind of indications that are likely to respond to either CBD alone or THC incorporated medicines. And then on top of that is this concept of the titration. So we need to be able to, each person is going to respond differently. And so we need to be able to find where that person is getting a response and level off there. And or if they're not, say they start with their, say they've got musculoskeletal pain or widespread pain, they might start on their CBD, titrate it up, find that it's actually still not creating the change they would like. And so then you start titrating up the THC again, slowly, so you can find the point, that difference between therapeutic and minimal side effects for them. So it's definitely a one at a time game there. So what we're aiming to do with CANNect is we then support you with the product options, the titrations that are required. We've just recently launched our concierge component, which allows a pharmacist or a health professional to speak with your patients to be able to support them in that titration process.